It's your boy, back on the daily vlog. Alright guys, back on the daily vlogs, daily grind.
Yeah, it is. That face though.
Shame we didn't take the picture of the other bands that are holding on the license plate before. We're going to try and reattach this license plate to the bike
It
using
looks
some...
stupid, but it works.
Oh, you got the nut on, have you?
Let's see if it can.
Okay. Now we just need to stop it from moving.
Well, it's only on loose.
Okay.
You got this, just like,
Yeah.
bam!
Look at that. You came over with, we want to fabricate some bracket. I was like, hang on, I've got some other bits that aren't right, but they might fit, so it's all right.
Yeah, if it's not held on with cable ties, is it even my bike? That bike actually had some value in it before I owned it.
Yeah, maybe. So we've done, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 miles. And another bracket's still on. And it's actually pretty solid. It's pretty good. Not a bad bodge job. What do you think?
Cable ties for the wind, mate.
It's only one cable tie. I made it to Box Hill and so did a number plate. How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
Oh, shut up.
Ricka, Slim Shady. So yeah, I bought a drone. Not too bad money really, 100 quid and you get all that. So yeah, it's pretty good. I found out that it depends on your phones, so I've tried it on I think 3 or 4 different phones and they have different abilities, so that's interesting. For instance, my phone, it works okay on, which is the Cyrus phone. It doesn't work on my Amazon tablet, the app keeps crashing. This Samsung, the video comes out in black and white, and this Sony phone, the video is really choppy, but this Sony phone actually has the best response, like as in, it does, I don't know what it is, it's Sony Ericsson, I don't know what it is, but this one has the best, no latency with the controls, whereas my Cyrus phone does, but the video quality is the best. If you look at it's like drop frames and stuff like that, but other than that it's fine. I was thinking of upgrading cameras, but I decided to get the drone instead. I'm still using a GoPro Hero 3 and the Hero 3 whatever, they're the black ones anyway, so they're really good. And I don't know if anyone noticed that I've been using 3s for I don't know how many years now, so, and the quality I think is still fine. And I don't think I need to upgrade to the 4 or anything like that. If these would start to break, then yeah, I'd probably replace them with a newer model. But they've been going so well, I don't see the point of replacing them. And everyone watches these videos on their mobile phones anyway, so yeah, it was just another quick update video vlog thing. I don't know, just thought I'd whack something out. Hopefully it's been interesting to watch. Trip videos are still on their way, still editing them. Don't worry about that. And that's it really. Thanks for watching. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I've been playing with drones, editing and doing stuff still. So yeah, I'm still around. And that's it, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like I guess. And I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.